Have you ever wondered why some brands stand out more than others? Could it be their color palette? In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose the right color for your spiritual brand that will resonate with your audience. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then make sure you download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. As a spiritual entrepreneur, your goal is to create a connection between you and your target audience. You want to be able to communicate effectively and make a lasting impression. However, with so many brands competing for attention, it can be challenging to stand out as a spiritual business. This is where choosing the right color comes in. Choosing the right color that resonates with your audience can create an emotional connection and communicate your messages effectively. Each color has a different meaning and impact on our emotions. And as a spiritual entrepreneur, you can take advantage of this. For example, the color blue is associated with trust, reliability, and security. This is why a lot of banks and tech companies use blue in their branding. The color purple, the color purple, no reference to the movie, the color purple or violet has the highest energy frequency and is considered to be of royalty, luxury, and power. Similar to the color black, it conveys authority, power, stability, wealth. Shall I go on? When it comes to energy, the color red has the lowest frequency, and yet it is associated with passion, with anger, excitement, and urgency, which is why it's used in many food and beverage brands. It's essential to understand the hidden meaning behind each primary color and how they impact your audience's emotions. By using the right colors in your branding, you can create a strong emotional connection with your target audience, which can ultimately lead to brand loyalty and sales. As a spiritual brand, you want to create a connection on a deeper level with the audience. You want to evoke emotions like peace, harmony, and spirituality. Using colors like blue, green can help you create a sense of calmness and tranquility, while using purple and gold can evoke a sense of spirituality and luxury. When curating your brand palette, it's essential that you keep your audience in mind. What emotions do you want to evoke? What resonates with your audience? By answering these questions, you can create a spiritual brand palette that communicates your message effectively and creates a lasting impression. In spiritual marketing, using the right colors can help you create a deeper connection with your audience and evoke certain emotions from customers, making them most likely to purchase from you. By understanding the hidden meaning behind each primary color and how they impact emotions, you can create strong emotional connections with your audience. So choose wisely the color of your spiritual business, because it can have a great impact on how your audience perceives you and your spiritual brand. I hope this helps you on your journey. Make sure to download your ebook in the description box below to make sure that you're not making these 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the bell for my upcoming videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.